Hello boys and girls, today you are going to learn again with me, Sir Fahmi, and today we are going to look at 8 different sounds. 8 different sounds that you have learned before. Okay, for today, let's begin. You are ready? Are you ready? Yes, very good. Okay, please remember these 8 sounds. These 8 sounds. We have learned it before. Ear, your, a, o, I. Again, ear, your, a, o, I. Okay, do you still remember? Good, very good. Ear, 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 ear. A, ear, ear, ear. A, a. Ow, ow, ow. A, I, I. Okay. Chair for air, chair, chair. Air, for air conditioner, air. This one is beard, picture, here, flower, snail, clay, tie. Now spot the words. We are going to spot the words that contain 8 different sounds that we have learned before. For the first sentence, the chair is on the stairs. So, I make it red in color. I mark it red in color, chair and stairs. Chair, stairs. Sentence number 2. Muaz share the pear with Mia. Pear. The word with red color here is pear. So, pear. The baby has black hair. The baby has black hair. So, hair, hair. His tie is red. His eye is red. Tie. There is a flower in Roy's mouth. Flower, mouth. Flower, mouth. I love to eat cherry pie. Pie. My sister says I am a nerd. sister, nerd. Intan wears a rare socks. Wears. Wears. Okay, I hope you remember all the 8 sounds and still will meet again. Thank you.